How to start a profitable soy products business, a complete guide to soya milk, flour, chunks, and curd. Imagine turning the world's most versatile and in-demand crop, soya, into a thriving business empire. From creamy soya milk to protein-packed soya chunks, I'm going to show you how to create multiple high-demand products, dominate your market, and achieve financial success in the booming soya industry. Stay with me, and let's make your entrepreneurial dream a reality. Soya products are not just healthy alternatives, they're multi-billion-dollar business opportunities. In this video, I will walk you through everything you need to know, from setting up your soya products business to creating high-quality products like soya milk, soya flour, soya chunks, and even soya curd. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step roadmap to launch and succeed. Let's dive in. Welcome to Prince Sam Official Channel. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Understanding the market opportunity. Why soya? Soya is a superfood packed with protein, making it essential in vegetarian and vegan diets. Rising health consciousness has led to a global increase in demand for soya-based products. Businesses in this niche enjoy low production costs with high profit margins. Target customers: health-conscious individuals, vegetarians, fitness enthusiasts, and families looking for dairy or meat alternatives. Step 2. Required equipment and setup. For soya milk production, soya milk extractor, pasteurizer, and packaging machine. For soya flour, grinder or milling machine. For soya chunks, extruder machine, dryer, and cutter. For soya curd, fermentation vessels, thermometer, and packaging equipment. Setup tip: start small from home or a rented space and scale up as demand grows. Ensure proper hygiene standards and acquire local food safety certifications. Step 3. Procuring raw materials. Key ingredient: high-quality soybeans. Look for reliable suppliers offering organic, non-GMO soybeans for premium quality products. Buying in bulk reduces costs significantly. Additional materials include sugar, stabilizers, and packaging materials for soya milk, or cultures for soya curd production. Step 4. Manufacturing process. Soya milk. 1. Soak soybeans overnight. 2. Grind them with water to extract the milk. 3. Boil and filter the milk. 4. Pasteurize and package in bottles or cartons. Soya flour. 1. Dry the soybeans thoroughly. 2. Roast them to remove any raw flavor. 3. Grind them into a fine powder using a milling machine. 4. Pack in airtight containers. Soya chunks. 1. Grind soybeans into a flour-like texture. 2. Mix with water to form a dough. 3. Use an extruder to create chunks and boil them to cook. 4. Dry and pack the chunks for long shelf life. Soya curd. 1. Heat soya milk to 42 degrees Celsius. 2. Add curd culture and allow it to ferment for 6 to 8 hours. 3. Pack in containers once the curd sets. Step 5. Packaging and branding. Use attractive, eco-friendly packaging with clear labels highlighting nutritional benefits. Invest in a memorable logo and branding that appeals to health-conscious consumers. Include certifications like vegan, gluten-free, or organic if applicable. Step 6. Marketing your products. 1. Online presence. Launch a website or an Instagram page showcasing your products. Partner with influencers in the health and fitness niche. 2. Offline marketing. Supply to health food stores, supermarkets, and restaurants. Set up a stall at farmers markets to gain visibility. 3. Export opportunities. Register for export certifications and target international markets, especially in countries with a high demand for plant-based products. Step 7. Managing finances. Start with a lean budget and reinvest profits to scale. Keep track of expenses and set competitive yet profitable pricing. Explore government grants or loans for small businesses in food processing. Step 8. Scaling your business. Expand your product line with innovations like flavored soya milk or ready-to-eat soya snacks. Build partnerships with fitness centers, schools, and caterers for bulk orders. Consider franchising once you've established your brand locally. Starting a soya products business might seem challenging, but with the right knowledge, preparation, and execution, it's a venture filled with immense profit potential. Whether it's soya milk, flour, chunks, or curd, the demand is growing, and you can ride the wave to success. Now it's your turn. Which soya product are you most excited to start with? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Prince Sam Official, and hit the bell so you never miss out on more practical business guides. Prince Sam Official loves you all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.